are back. Why is it so early? And doing more car things on this Saturday morning before it starts snowing, which is probably like in a month, but yeah, we're getting it in. Today we're going to be going to a 100-mile cruise with a couple hundred cars. We're going to take the 2JZ FRS, see if the clutch will hold. I've been having some issues with that, and just generally have some fun. Why not? This is the 2JZ FRS that I built with Full Blown Motorsports, and we've been trying to get it to the track, but we're currently having a clutch issue. The clutch has been slipping, and I'm not sure what's going on. I gave it a little bit more. I was able to get some of the preload off the pedal. There was like a 1/4 inch on the rod, so we'll see how that works. Otherwise, it's just going to be a change the clutch this winter. It's got the Clutch Masters twin disc in it, and for what I paid for that clutch, the damn thing should be making me breakfast every morning. But these are just cars, wear items, and we'll either sort it out or we'll have fun putzing it around the cruise today. It's wake up time, neighbors. Here's baby girl right up front where we like her. That clutch is still slipping, but whatever. We're gonna go drive. If you guys watch Junkyard Digs on YouTube, there's the 68 Le Mans. Yeah, I've got some cars lining up. This event has 3 release times, so this is the early one. And then after this group leaves for the 100-mile cruise, they will have a whole nother group come up for the second group, and then the third group, which is the one I'm gonna go in, just so we can see the cars. Oh, race car. Shoot, check this thing out. A Pontiac Parisienne. Pretty cool. Here is a whole nother set of group of cars. This is the second group that will be going on the 100-mile cruise. We're gonna go in the third group just so we can see the cars that show up. And once this group clears out, you get a whole nother group showing up. Oh, look at that. Hello.
Hello.
Got old folks, young folks, imports, air ride stuffs. You got, seen some dogs. So it's just a good time of cruising and having fun with your race car with bad clutches. Uh-oh. RX-7 gang rolling in. Nice. We are watching the last group show up, and I've spotted something. You guys see it right there? That's my old car.
This is my old right-hand drive Civic, the one that I built in the garage. Had many years of fun driving and drag racing, and it was 713 horsepower. Now it's got a B16 turbo in it. Here's Mr. Dylan. Hello, Dylan.
What's up?
What's done to the car these days?
Pretty much the same as when you had it, other than engine and trans is my B16A that you helped me turbo and stud.
So awesome just to see it again.
Yeah, I think it's your trans with the LSD and the Type R final drive, my motor, turbo kit, all that stuff. So,
man, so many years of good times with this. One time I went to Brainerd, I took this to Proving Grounds to go drag racing. I swear to you, I had $32 to my name, like in life. And we went and we had a good time.
oh yeah,
YOLO. All the memories are coming back. Look at that keychain. Never ever see a keychain like that again.
it's dirty, but
Oh yeah.
pretty much looks the same.
Got the valve cover. Old school full-blown fuel rail with the big letters.
Oh yeah.
Won't find that again.
Your old turbo manifold.
Oh yeah, that turbo manifold, all custom.
Yeah.
That's a much smaller turbo than I ran,
Yeah.
but
It works.
probably more reliable.
Made 330 on full-blown dyno.
330?
Yeah. Pretty
Man,
good for stock block. It does good on the streets, so
heck yeah.
it's fun for me.
So many good times. Here's another batch of cars showing up to leave on with the 11 o'clock cruise group, which is the one I'll be going in. A lot of different cars, some Maserati action. It's just cool because you see all sorts of different cars, and like it's not just one kind of car, or I mean, you can bring anything. I've spotted my wiring guy, Derek from Full Blown Motorsports. Hello.
What's up?
Here's Derek's car, S2000, the LS2 engine. So this is he drifts this car. It's got all sorts of weird camber and stuff like that. Super, just awesome car.
That's not mine.
Well, the S2000's fuel pump finally shit the bed, and we're just chilling here getting passed by bikes. Alright, we are on the cruise. We saw Derek, my wiring guy who built this car. He's in the S2000, LS2 S2000 up ahead, and he was having some fuel pump issues, so I don't know, it's kind of working, then it's not working, so we're following him and just making sure he's good. We're still out cruising, having a good time. Well, the fuel pump in the S2000 finally shit the bed, and they took a can to the gas station and going to get some gas. Oh, hey, Leonard. Did you find a tree over there?
Oh, thanks.
Update on the clutch. It hates life. So as of today, it would take first and second gear just fine, and then about mid-third gear, you'd feel like the tires were shaking, but it's really just that clutch letting go. And now, probably about the beginning of boost in third gear, so we're not going fast today anyway. It's a nice day in Minnesota, broken down with the S2000, but it'll be fine. It's all part of the adventure, just like that guy's doing. Man, should have bought a motorcycle. Well, it's not your first time on the YouTube channel, but it's the first time breaking down. Or out of gas. I don't know. You got this surge tank. I don't know how all that works, but this is the wiring guy, so he's bound to make it happen.
Try.
Boom. Well, we made it to the final destination. There's a couple cars here, but there's a restaurant and hamburgers. Everybody loves hamburgers. So, not a very... I mean, there was one event of the day. Derek ran out of gas. But we still had a good time and nothing broke, so... But whatever, that's how cruises happen sometimes. Sometimes you run into junkyard digs at the ending point. So, not a very long video, but bitch, we did it.
Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to WeCars 24/7.
We
Like the video game?
Weed cars. We're just a bunch of drug smugglers, actually. Thanks for watching. Remember to catch us on the next one because we cars 24/7.